What's up, you all? Welcome back to the video, a POV video, I would say. All right, my strap is on. Oh my, look at this sexy looking classic old bike. Oh, I think I need to do a little bit kind of cold start, but oh my freaking god, sounds good. Okay, so first of all, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to the video. I hope you all are doing good, and welcome to the POV ride video on my 1995 CD100. Let's fucking do this, man. Let's go. So I'm gonna take this route today. You know, R15. This is one of my very favorite bike, especially the V2. I used to ride my brother's V2. What the fuck? Okay, so I used to ride my brother's V2 back in the days when he had, but he is not here in Kathmandu right now. And this bike is beautiful, man. Watch out, boys, watch out. Okay. So I'm on my way to pick my friend, and yeah, that's pretty much. Decided to make this kind of short and sweet video for you all. Is that a same V? Is that a same V1? Okay, interesting. So by the way, I am riding my 1995 CD100. Yes, you heard it right. This is the 1995 model, and it's 100cc, made by Hero and Honda in India. Oh my goodness. Oh my freaking god. Oh my freaking god. No, man, this is, I gotta do something of my suspension. Whenever I just hit the off-road, it just makes this kind of noise. And I am riding this thing, this beautiful machine, in Kathmandu, Nepal, if you are watching me for the first time, okay? Look at the rice field, man. It looks beautiful. Yeah, it is. Alright. Oh shit. By the way, I I recently did the half engine for this machine, so it has good power, man. It has really good power. Yeah. Woo! I think I am not supposed to go more than 40 kilometers per hour, but and with clean load, but it's okay. How many of you hear that noise from the spring, or maybe that when I press the brake? That is kind of interesting. Yeah. What the? Watch out, guys! Watch out! Your guy is coming. Watch out, niggas! Watch out! Watch out! All right. Woo! Watch out, uncle! Watch out! Is that a Honda XL 125 or maybe the 185? It was good bike though. Okay. Riding this 100cc motorcycle is so fun, man. It is really fun. There are so many good things about this bike. It looks good. It has great mileage. It's just a 100cc, so you are not paying like a lot of money for it. But it is vintage nowadays. It's bit costly. But this is a good bike. It's a lovely vehicle, man. I love my bike a lot. Not just because it's mine, but it's a. Is that a red light? Is that a red light? No, it's a yellow, which is blinking. Now we got the red light, baby. Woo! Damn. Watch out, nigga. Yeah. Okay, looks good. I am almost there. Then I'm gonna pick my homie up. Then we are going to some place. Then we're gonna be doing like a good, So I recently fueled up my bike after that half engine build, and I really want to check the mileage I'm getting. That was slippery. Mileage I'm getting on this thing. So let's see how much mileage currently I'm getting, because I was getting 52 kilometers per hour per liter. Did I just say per hour? Per liter on my bike before half engine goes. Why he is sitting like that? But now I have to check it out. How much I'm getting after that maintenance. I'm hopeful. I hope I'm getting more than 60. I'm just hopeful for that, Let's go, baby, let's go. There you go, man. Where the fuck is he? He said he's gonna be here, but where the fuck is he, man? Oh my freaking god. Yo, what's up, guys? I hope you all are doing good. Oops. Boys are looking at me, man. That's so kind of curious, these boys. Okay.